Good morning foodies, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by. Today I will be sharing a recipe for pumpkin pancakes. This is going to be super delicious, so let's get started. Okay guys, so let's take a quick look at our ingredients. Today I'll be using some all-purpose flour. I have some buttermilk. If you do not have buttermilk, you can make it with whole milk and lemon juice or vinegar. Just add about a tablespoon or two to your whole milk and you will have buttermilk. Here I have some sugar, pumpkin puree, I have an egg, some oil, salt, baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, and nutmeg. To begin, you want to combine all of your dry ingredients, mix well, and set that aside. Next, you want to go ahead and combine all of your wet ingredients, mix well, and set that aside. Now you want to go ahead and combine the wet and the dry ingredients. Mix very well until you form a runny batter. Lastly, you want to come in with your pumpkin puree and just fold that in gently. Here to my preheated skillet, I will add some cooking spray and allow that to heat up. Then I will come in with my batter. You can add as much or as little as you like. All depends on how big or small you like your pancakes. You will let them cook thoroughly, then flip them over and allow it to cook the same way on the other side. Once it is fully cooked, I add some butter and remove it from the skillet and just carry on with the same process until I am all out of butter. And here you have it, the most amazing pumpkin pancakes. It is perfect for the fall season. I did add some pumpkin syrup and some whipped cream and a sprinkle of cinnamon, and it was to die for. I can't wait for you guys to give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.